She just graduated college with a whole lot of knowledge. Got a 4.0, she a summa cum laude. Got a brand new Audi. She love to stand out like a tummy with an Audi. I'm telling you about her cause I'm hoping and I'm wishing. I've been trying to get at her like a Twitter page mention. I'm hoping she'll listen every time I think about her, man. I swear.
What it is, what it do, it's your girl Shita B, aka Finance Nigerian. I am back at it again. How you guys doing, everyday fans? Before I get started to talking too much in this video, let's go ahead and give this a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're new to this channel, you dig? Anyway, what am I doing in this video? Yes, I have a bunch of hair conditioners and some eggs, some oils, and all that in the video. Why am I doing this? Okay, let me explain. As you can see, one thing that I learned is that when you go to the store and you're looking for hair conditioners, it is hard to find a hair conditioner that does everything. You know, all these brands, they only make an air conditioner that only serve one purpose, and the purpose can either be, oh, this is for volume, this is for softness, this is for strengthening, this is for you know, for damaged hair, or this is for less breakage, and all those stuff. Each conditioner only serves one purpose. And I learned that if you get all these conditioners that serve a different purposes and you put them all together in one, you can actually kill one bird with like 10, you can kill 10 birds with one stone. That's basically what I mean. Which is like in this video, I mix up all of my conditioners. I usually use the brand OGX brand. As you can see, I have most of that in the video. The OGX brand is a really good air conditioner because each brand actually targets something. Like it targets a particle in your hair. It could be for hydrating or nourishing, or it could be for renewing, and they actually have like really good ingredients in the conditioner. Also, I used some shea butter. The peels that you will see in front of me are fish oils and flaxseed peels, and I break those into the bottle. Also, I also use rice water, and I put all these things together, including eggs, anything that I can think of in the moment. I try to put it all together to make a super effective air conditioner. All the products used in this video will be listed in the description box. You can also find these products at your local Walmart. Once I've put all my concoction together, I'm just gonna stir and stir until I get a thick consistency. Next, the air conditioner goes in the microwave for just 1 minute. Remember, this is important because you don't want to go longer than 1 minute because you still have to wait for the air conditioner to actually cool back down. And this step is very important because all the different air conditioners and oils that you put in here and all the eggs and products will now be able to assimilate into each other, making it one super effective custom hair conditioner. Next, we're going to start applying the hair conditioner in the hair. As you can see, I have pre-parted my hair into 3 sections, making it easy for me to apply this product. And I just cut small little sections and I put it in until my hair is entirely filled with conditioner. think I'm going to leave it in for about 4 or 5 hours, and I'll rinse it out. I'm going to show you guys after I rinse it out. I'll be back to show you the results of my hair. When I do this process, it makes my hair become flexible, less breakage, you know. It's easy to like handle, and it's easy for me to braid it and do other stuff. So this is always like my routine. After I take my hair down, I do this like once a month. I have to do this deep conditioning, and trust me, it works. I'm gonna show you a before, a picture of my hair last year compared to now. My hair is grew phenomenally. Like, you have to see, like, it is really like grown. I cut my hair last year. It hasn't even been a whole year, and my hair is back to where I wanted it to be before I had cut it, because I was having a lot of like damage, split ends. I was putting too much heat in my hair, so it damaged my hair, so I cut it all off. And now my hair is back to where it needs to be, and I haven't been putting a lot of heat in it, other than blow drying my hair and getting it done. I really don't put like, I don't straighten it, I don't do none of that stuff, so that's a plus. So this is my hair after wash. It's super soft, super duper soft.